What are 1,000 sweaty men and 1,000 happy grannies doing together in a stadium? They are dancing. To be precise, 8,500 dancers aged 8 to 80 are dancing. You heard right, because next to the magic of the song celebration, there is also the dance celebration. The tradition of the song celebration was born along with Estonia's national awakening, as the first national song celebration was held in Estonia in the summer of 1869. The song celebration that today is a 150-year-old tradition was accompanied by the dance celebration that grew out of the Dance and Gymnastic Festival in 1934, and by now has become an inseparable part of the song and dance celebration taking place every 5 years over a weekend in July. Each time the celebration selects an artistic director who creates the theme and story for the party, and with a team of dance teachers, choreographs the dances for each type of dance group. Children, women, men, couples, and grannies. A marvelous sight occurs when more than 8,000 people dance together. All the performers wear Estonian national clothes or colourful costumes. While choirs take time to sing and practice on their own, the dancers go through a tough selection process and start practicing all together weeks before the first performance in July. When everything is settled, they march together with the choirs of the procession, the 5-kilometre route from the centre of town to the Tallinn Song Festival grounds. The sight of more than 40,000 people moving through the city inspires thousands of onlookers to cheer and feel part of the great celebration. The empty stadium starts to fill up with more and more performers, and slowly, the lines of human bodies move on to the grass to form different signs and patterns which begin to emerge. Over the course of 3 days, the 8,500 performers of the dance celebration will give 3 identical performances in Tallinn at the Kalev Central Stadium, come rain or shine. The number of seats is limited. The tickets for the song and dance celebration go on sale together at the beginning of the year that the celebration takes place. And you know what? Very often, you might feel just by looking at the sight, alive and proud to be part of humankind. It is a very special feeling. Come to Estonia and see the fairy tale with your own eyes.